In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide rows in Smartsheet. We'll start by setting up a simple place to work, then I'll show you exactly how to collapse and expand rows so you can keep your sheet tidy without losing any data. First, head to the home area in Smartsheet. This is your launchpad for creating and organizing work. From here, click Start a new project, program, or process. This opens the creation flow and helps you keep related items together for easier access later. Next, create a workspace to organize and collaborate with your team and external partners. A workspace is like a secure folder that can hold sheets, dashboards, and reports. Give it a clear name, and if you plan to collaborate, think ahead about who should have access and what level of permission they'll need. Choose Start from scratch so we can build a clean example. When you're prompted to choose a new workspace starting point, keep it simple. That way you can focus on the hierarchy tools that let you hide and unhide rows. Select Table as your new item. This creates a standard grid where each row represents a task, item, or line of data. Tables are ideal for demonstrating hierarchy because you can group related rows and then collapse them to streamline your view. Now input your data. Add a few rows that naturally belong together. Think of a main category or phase, followed by the individual tasks that roll up into it. You can adjust column names and types as needed. But what matters most is arranging the rows in a way that makes sense for grouping. Once your data is in place, look at the far left of the parent row. You'll see a small right arrow next to the row indicator when Smartsheet recognizes that the row has related items beneath it. Clicking that arrow collapses the group, effectively hiding the child rows while keeping the parent visible. This is perfect for decluttering large sheets or presenting a high-level status without the granular details. Click the arrow again to expand and unhide those rows whenever you need to work on them. If you don't see the arrow, make sure you've clearly identified a parent item with the related rows listed directly underneath it so Smartsheet can display the hierarchy control. That's all there is to it. Set up your sheet, enter your data, then use the right arrow on the parent row to toggle between a detailed and a summarized view. Your data remains intact, you're simply controlling what's visible on screen to stay focused and organized.